In this video, guys, I'm going to be telling you what I think is by far the best online marketing strategy for any business around the world. Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Tennille, and on this channel, I talk all about starting an online business, marketing, and business tools. So guys, if you want to get more videos just like this, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, so on today's video, I want to talk to you about a strategy that I mainly use to market my business online. And this is a strategy that I find to be very proven. I'm using it right now. I'm getting great results. And I want to share with you an online marketing strategy that every business owner should be implementing, whether your business is online or offline. Now, this marketing strategy is extremely powerful and it's becoming more popular. So what is it? Alright, so the online marketing strategy that I use currently is video marketing. And I create a lot of videos right here on YouTube, guys, where I am constantly teaching people, how to market their business online, how to build an online business. I talk about different business tools, and I do it because I've done it to grow my home business. And so I particularly like video marketing because I feel like I can have a connection with people. And I think that people want to see who they are following and who they are trusting, to even do business with. And so I like video marketing specifically for that particular reason. Now, here is a reason why you should be doing video marketing. Guys, video creates what we call in the online world, that know, like, and trust factor. And I've talked about this before in a previous video of mine where I talk about, online leads, generating MLM leads, and why you shouldn't even buy MLM leads. I talk about this know, like, and trust factor in one of my videos, several of my videos actually. And the thing about this is, guys, when people do business with people, they're doing business with people who they know, who they like, and who they trust. I mean, think about it. Who would you rather buy, products from or your service from? Would it be a complete total stranger, or would it be someone that you've seen maybe their ads before, maybe a trusted brand that you've known about for years at a time? You're going to go with that particular person or company who you either already know, you've already, trusted them because you tried their products, or you just genuinely like who they are because you see them all the time and you know other people that maybe purchase those same products. So guys, video creates that type of feeling even when you're following your favorite actor or actress on, a movie or something like that. You don't even know Hollywood stars, but you feel like you know them, you trust them, you like them, and so you watch their movies. Where the same goes for online marketing, particularly video marketing. Video marketing really conveys that message and allows for you to come behind the computer and put yourself out there so people can see that you're actually a real person, you can deliver real value, and people begin to trust you over time when you give them valuable information that they can use or you help them solve problems. So guys, video marketing is really popular. I mean, a lot of people are just consuming a lot of video, period, because there are many different ways in which you can market your business. For example, you've got social media marketing, you've got different paid marketing, you've got online marketing, like, just having a blog where people consume content by reading things. But a lot of times people don't want to read, content. Sometimes people are working and they don't have time and they want to actually see what they're looking at. And so video marketing really gives people, a chance to actually watch and look at the person, get to know the person who they're gonna buy from. And so people are just consuming a lot of video. I mean, people are watching billions of minutes of video every single day. So when I think about all of the other marketing that's out there, particularly like social media marketing, content that you're consuming by reading, it's not really to me that great as video marketing. So here's a reason why I love YouTube. With YouTube particularly, I can create what we call evergreen content. I can create that type of content that people are searching for years to come. So this video that I'm putting on right now, that I'm actually doing right now, this video is going to go up and it can be online for 2, 3, 4, 5 years from now, and people will still find this content relevant because it's not content that goes out of style or gets old. That's evergreen content. I can put this type of content up and people can watch this any time of the day. 2 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning, 10 o'clock at night, and people can consume this content. And while they're doing that, they're getting to know who I am. I'm driving traffic to my YouTube channel. Of course, I'm driving traffic to maybe my blog, whatever it is that I'm promoting, and I can do it all while I'm sleeping, away on vacation, on the beach, or maybe just having lunch with friends. And so the great thing about video marketing is that you can leverage it. People can consume this content anytime, no matter where you are in the world. They can consume it and it doesn't get old as long as it is fresh, relevant content. Now, if we switch over to something like social media, that content is only really seen probably for a few minutes, or if it's even seen at all. I mean, of course, there's been studies that even show that your Facebook posts that you're putting out there are probably only seen to so many people at a time, because these social media platforms are becoming more of a pay to play. You have to pay to be able to play on those platforms and to get the customer base that you want, to generate the leads that you want. But with video marketing, guys, it's really just putting in the work. You have to put in the work to produce valuable content. So guys, this is one of many reasons why I love video marketing, is because I can leverage this type of content, and that is what I primarily do, even though I have other methods, but I just love video for that particular reason. And I encourage you, if you're a business owner, whether you're online basically running your business, or if you're a brick and mortar, you should be implementing video into your business marketing plan, because people want to see you. They don't just want to read about you. They want to be able to see you consistently, giving value, helping them, and telling them why they should even purchase your products. So guys, make sure that you start looking into ways in which you can start implementing video into your business. I primarily love YouTube, but of course you can create videos that you can put on social media. I mean, people are doing live videos, Facebook Lives. If anything, I would rather do a YouTube live video, but video, start little by little trying to implement some video into your business, and see the reaction that you get from people when you're not afraid to get on camera. Because of course, I understand a lot of people are afraid to get on camera, but it's something that you have to slightly break into, because if you can get past getting on camera and getting in front of people, you will create such an amazing brand, because it shows you getting out of your comfort zone and you're doing a lot of things that your competitors won't do, which is really breaking through that comfort level and connecting with your audience. So guys, video marketing to me is by far the best strategy that you can be doing to market your business online, and I encourage you to start looking into creating small videos, implementing them into your business. Alright guys, so that's what I wanted to do today, was just give you that bit of a nugget on why video is just an awesome way to market your business. And if you want to get more content, guys, just like this, just make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any future episodes. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.